Morning guys and girls, today's Sunday and it's a lovely day. It's car day, cars and coffee day. So towards the end of last year I started going to a meet called Cheshire Lakes. Huge place, looks like, I think it's like a place where you can go fishing and camping. They have a huge cafe and that, and they've started, not an event, but they've said it's open, cafe's open, cars and bikes are welcome, everyone's welcome, come on down. So me and a few of the lads are going to scoot down there today, well this morning, go and grab a coffee, grab a bacon butty, see what motors are on up there like. So some nice things out with us today. We've got a Lancia Integrale, we've got Mark and his Subaru RX, and we got Danny in his Nissan, I think it's a QX, I think, V6 thing, but it's a pretty nice toy like. So anyway, we'll scoot on down there and we'll see what it's all about, eh? With Lee Hunter in his Ford Anger, lovely thing, and Mark Haig in his Mark II Escort. He's got a Cosy YB in, and that's a bit of a toy like. So we're just on our way now, should be a good laugh. Spoke to him a few times. Nice thing, like. Seen that one a few times, haven't we? You've seen the 3-spoke steering wheel on this, it's lovely. 12-volt sunbeam, really nice that. never played around with mine.
Try and keep up on you.
Proper family car, eh, Mark? Say hi or bye. Going home?
Probably.
Yeah, sound, yeah. I'll see you later.
Catch you
Alright, speak to you in a bit.
Over there, I'm getting off.
I'll follow you.
Like what I said, 50 on the stuff, super average, spent 6.5, 7, and he won 7 for it. But he's got no history at all. And I was like, and he's done 100 years. I think he's done 27,000.
So it's quite a good meet, that. Some nice stuff, like. I think we got there a tiny bit too late, I think. You know, with meeting up with everyone and that, like. Quite a few cars were already on the way going. So I don't know if people had met up earlier or... The meet was only starting at 9:30. So when we got there about 10:30ish in the end. But I think the fun about it, all meeting up with everyone, especially with all the lads, that's the fun bit, I think, you know, when you convoy up and that, I think that's the cool bit. But no, good little, I know it wasn't a proper organised meet because Boris isn't letting us yet, is he? But he will be soon. So, lad in a Fiesta ST. They love it, don't they? Any Fords love the Cosy and stuff, don't they? So, no, but some nice stuff. Lovely green Mark II Escort, RS2000 flat front one. I was speaking to the lad, so hopefully try and film that one. So that'll be a good video, won't it? Bog standard, 120 brake, but by God, it was super clean, proper super clean. I love going to like meets and shows like that because you get to speak to people, fellow car enthusiasts who actually follow the channel. You know what I mean? How cool is that? I think we're at like about 4,000 subscribers, which isn't big in the YouTube world at all. But there's still local people who actually follow me and notice the cars. So it's awesome. I love all that. So thanks for the support, guys. It's great. Awesome. So we'll get out again soon and see what it's all about, innit? I think there's another meet on next weekend. So we'll get to that one. Hopefully try and get the Mark II Escort out. It's a bit blocked in at the moment in the garage because I've been doing a few little jobs on it. Getting it right, you know what I mean? So get that out for a little run and that. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Take it easy anyway, guys. See you soon.